You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than 3 over 2 greater than 11 over 2. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 12 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -2. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than 3 over 2 greater than 11 over 2.